All right, so in the next part of the experiment, you will be using the slits. So click on the slit and then you click on the laser light, and then frequency, let's set it to blue light. In that way, we should be able to see a better picture. And then we set the amplitude to maximum. So we have an amplitude set it to maximum. And then we need the screen and the intensity graph. Of course, we're going to analyze the intensity graph and observe the fringe pattern. And then the separation, will keep it like the maximum possible. So let's keep it at 1600. So we have a higher open width in the single slit. And then we can use the slider to make it closer. So here it's 500 nanometer distance. So using the slider, I can slide the slit to 500 nanometers. So it's closer to the signal generator. And this way, I think we are set to go. So I go with the slow motion, and then now if I play it, the light need to go. So I just switch on the light. First, I will pause this one, and then I switch on the light. And then we'll let it go. So I switch it on and run the simulator. Now blue light passed through the single slit and it's reaching to the screen. I'll wait until the fringe pattern established on the screen, and we should be able to observe a nice intensity graph on that side. Look at that. So it has a higher intensity, so that's why it's really hard to observe the peak, but I can change the focus of this graph. Then I'm losing my second maxima, but you can hardly see there's a bump over here, right? So that is the second maximum, and this is the central maximum. Now let's improve this one. All right, so now here you see the bright fringe is in the middle, and here's a minima and a maxima over here, minima over here, and a maximum over here, right? So this is what I described earlier with the real experimental data. So you're observing the same thing on the simulator. And I hope this video will help you to complete the lab properly. And if you still have questions, please reach to us.